Hi, I'm John Suggett, Managing Director at Kiev Real Estate Recovery Fund. We're currently at a new apartment that we've recently purchased on Bogdana Khmelnytskaya 9. It's also on Pushkinskaya 20, very centrally located in Kiev, right on Metro Titralna, which is about 50 meters away. It's a great place that we liked very much because of the things that you need to buy, things that you can't change. We have windows on both sides. As you can see on this side, we have views onto Bogdana Khmelnytskaya. We are, however, on the second line, so it is, as I'm sure you can hear, very quiet in here. It's kind of an open design with a kitchen, living room, and dining room all joined. We like this place. Normally, we don't buy a place that's renovated. However, we like this place because the bones of the renovation are very solid. Obviously, the finishing is horrible with gold walls and chandeliers and this type of things, and also curving walls. However, we have the opportunity to save a lot of money here because all the electrical is new, all the plumbing is new, all the water is new. These floors are actually very high quality. They're ugly, but it will cost us approximately $600 to have them sanded down, refinished, and re-lacquered, as opposed to several $1,000s when we have to put in a new floor. It comes fully furnished, as you can see. However, we will be changing a lot of the furniture. On this side of the apartment, we have a yard, nicely treed yard, and an enclosed balcony. We're currently looking at opening up this balcony, as many foreigners find that the open terrace is much more preferable than this enclosed space. We'll have the opportunity to sell the windows, and it will cover the costs of redoing the balcony, to be completely honest with you. This is the entryway. Again, we're looking at orange and bad design, but this is cheap and easy to fix, especially labor costs here are very low. There's these entryway closets we're looking at replacing. It'll be about $700 to replace all of these closets. However, I'm more inclined probably to leave them. We definitely wouldn't have something like this if we had the choice. But for the cost and for what they are, they're not that bad, and they wouldn't affect rental values that much. We have a reasonable bathroom here. We'll be able to keep the vanity, the sink. Obviously, it comes with a washing machine, saves us $800 right there. Hot water heater, Junkers, also saves us about $500. This shower, however, is something that we will never have in our apartments. We like things to be open. We're going to sell this, and for the cost of selling this, replace it with a walk-in, fully tiled, custom shower with a Hansgrohe rain head, and it'll be much, much more useful space. Also, I should actually point out the front door. This is another space where we're saving money. This is a laser key multi-lock door system. Normally, we always buy these for our places. Normally, they cost us about $750. So again, we're saving money by buying this place already renovated. If you'd like to come through here, it's 67 square meters, 2 bedrooms. So this is one thing that we try to concentrate on. With our clients being embassies, their budgets are decided upon the number of bedrooms. So we try to, I wouldn't say squeeze as many bedrooms in as possible, but the more bedrooms, the higher the budget, and obviously the more yield we can receive. This is the first bedroom. It's an absolutely fine size with, again, built-in closets. We'd look at perhaps taking out the mirrored doors that are darkly mirrored. It would cost us a couple $100s to redo this, have a little bit of a more lighter feel in here. We're also going to change all the ceilings, flatten them out, put in all new light fixtures. That will change the feeling of this apartment from disco to a comfortable living space. We'll also flatten out the ceilings here in the living room and replace all the light fixtures. Again, it's the feel of the place. People want to come from the West and they're sad or excited to be working here in Ukraine, but they really need a place to rest. So when they come home, they want to feel like it's their home. This is the second bedroom. As you see, everything came fully furnished, even with pillows and mattresses and everything. We'll, of course, throw most of this out, but it does save us a lot of money on the furniture, which isn't that bad. Bookcases, which are not that bad. Built-in closets, which are not that bad. And, of course, new windows as well, which we would always do. These plastic double-glazed windows. You can't hear any of the traffic. It's an incredibly busy street outside. In fact, it's almost rush hour. You can't hear anything. It's very nice and quiet. So we appreciate that. This also has saved us thousands of dollars, the new windows here. I think that's about it. We're going to change some of the furniture in here, but that's about it. We're looking at, for an example on how our market works, as this apartment currently looks, we'd be looking at renting it for about $1,250 a month. However, with simple changes that is, as we say, take it out of the market, take it out of what is normally offered in the market and put it more into what a specialized tenant that we are targeting, a Western family that is moving newly here to Ukraine, simply painting the walls, making it feel much more comfortable. We'd be looking at a $1,750 to $2,000 a month, which is an amazing increase for a very low amount of renovations, probably about $7,000, $8,000 in renovations. We can increase the rent by 50%, which obviously will boost yields massively. We'll give you an update after we finish the renovations here, and we'll also let you know how much we've rented it for. We bought the apartment downstairs, which we'll have another video for, apartment number 64. We have rented that out. It's exactly the same design, different finishings, of course, and we rented it for $2,000. So we're looking to get the same kind of returns here as well. Thanks very much. I look forward to seeing you again.